Hello everyone and welcome back to our video tutorial series on our goal-oriented digital portfolio. In the last video we went through stage 5, the assembly, and in this video we're going to go through stage 6, sanding out, and the finish. So what we've done now is we have totally assembled our project and we've sanded it down to create a nice smooth finish. So we're going to upload the photo that we took in class to our progress here. So, what did you do in today's lesson? Simply describe exactly what you did. Once you're happy with your description, what we're going to do now is we're going to reflect. So what went well, what didn't go so well, and what would you do differently next time? Let's just answer those 3 questions. So there are just a couple of examples there of what you could do for your reflection. Again, don't copy it. You can use it for inspiration, but put your own lesson reflection in. It could be something totally different to this. So for your goal, we're going to relate this back to our sanding. Once you're happy with your goal, we're going to pop on over here. So this is a little bit different. So pause and reflect. What did you notice while sanding? Think about your senses, the touch, the smell, the look of the timber as it became smoother. So what we'll do is I'm going to skip a line here and I'm going to pop it in here. So what did you notice? Once you're happy with how you've explained this, then we can move on to our charts over here. But just before we do, when we're talking about our senses, we're talking about your smell, your touch, and how it appeared. So, for instance, when you were sanding, you noticed a strong smell. That's because of the dust. And you noticed that the timber went from rough to smooth, and that's the whole purpose of sanding. And naturally, when you start sanding, the timber is going to appear much lighter than it originally was. So what you can do is, this is going to relate to practically everybody, but put this into your own words. So let's pop on over here. So your surface check. So our little acorn means here that it was overall quite rough. Our sapling or our leaf is mostly smooth, and your tree is very smooth. Once you have got that done, we're going to pop on down here to your patience category. So how does patience help you achieve quality in your work? So essentially that's asking you, how much time do you need to spend in order to achieve a good finish? And the answer really to that is by taking your time and spending a good amount of time. Once you have finished this little section here, then it's just a case of just bringing all of the text from blue to black. Once you have this all done, that is essentially stage 6, sanding complete of your digital portfolio. So let's head on back to our learning journey progress board. Now that we've finished stage 6, which consisted of our slide 8 on our digital portfolio, and we've applied a sanding, and you may have applied a finished as well, we're going to now move our bird icon up to stage 6, and you'll notice that we've only got 2 stages left before we are totally finished the project. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care everybody, and goodbye for now.